Hello everyone, today we are going to go over sub-accounts in DialMyCalls. To get to your sub-accounts, click on Settings and then Sub-accounts. Click on Permission Groups to see the default groups that are made. You can add a new group if you choose to do so with custom permissions. Next to Account Manager, click on Edit to bring up all of the permissions you can control for your sub-accounts. With your permission group set, click on Users and then add a new sub-account. Enter in a nickname and then put in your sub-account's email and create a password for them. Finally, select the permissions group you'd like this user to be in. This will control what they have access to in your DialMyCalls account. All of your sub-accounts will have the following options to the right of them: Login as user, reset password, edit user, and delete user. That wraps up our video on sub-accounts in DialMyCalls. Thank you for watching. If you have any additional questions, please feel free to contact us via toll-free number at 800-928-2086, our email, which is support@dialmycalls.com, or via live chat 7 days a week.